Yo, what's up guys, this is Saman here from Expert Gadgets and welcome to another episode of Awesome Tech. And this time is the month for December. But before we begin, let's take a moment to thank our sponsor, BZ Future. At some point, I think we've all pirated a copy of Windows. And looking at the price of Windows 10 in the Microsoft Store, there is no surprise it's been pirated so many times. But if Windows was cheaper, I'm sure most of us will buy it. So here comes BZ Future to the rescue, offering Windows 10 Pro OEM key at just $17. You get a genuine version of Windows and won't have to deal with the hassle of actually pirating and cracking Windows. It's not only Windows though, you can also get softwares like Office, 3D Mark, antiviruses, and various other important softwares at unbelievably low prices. You can simply make an account and buy it in the store with no hassle. Check out the link in the description to learn more. And now, let's get this video started. First up, we have Logitech MX Master 3. The MX Master 3 targets advanced users like creators, software developers, engineers, analysts, and other professionals. Its innovative electromagnetic scroll wheel and per-app customizable settings means that you can fine-tune this mouse to be an ideal companion for each software you use. Additionally, you can control and send info across up to 3 PCs, so the mouse can be with you for every step of the multi-device activities. The scroll wheel, which has been updated with electromagnetic technology and dubbed max speed, lets you toggle between smooth and precise scrolling modes. And the Master 3 stands out from its predecessor with a new button layout and revamped thumb rest aimed at making usage more comfortable and intuitive. The thumb rest is texturized and the palm rest where you keep your pinky finger have the same feel for long-lasting comfort. The wireless mouse uses a USB Type-A receiver and connects to a PC via 2.4 GHz up to 10 meters. You can also connect it without the receiver via Bluetooth Low Energy. All in all, for users that do a lot of work on PCs, this is the perfect mouse. Next up, we have MOTOSPEED CK80 mechanical keyboard. This has got to be one of the best looking keyboards I have ever seen. It's got LED lights around its sides, grey and black keycaps, and a very sharp design. The LED lights make it look stunning, and the grey accents make this keyboard unique. It's got a dial on the side and N key rollover which make things much easier, and the dial can change volume and brightness. It's got Otum silver switches which provide amazing tactile feedback with lots of travel for precise input. And they were amazing to type and game with. Gaming was amazing with this keyboard. The actions were precise and there is no input lag. The RGB lights in grey color provide for a really good looking keyboard that is going to turn some heads. Overall for gaming, this is one of the best looking and functional keyboards you can buy. Next up, we have BRYDGE keyboard for iPad. For almost the same price as Apple's own smart keyboard, you're getting way more in terms of functionality. And its overall design is top notch. Both sides of the BRYDGE keyboard are made out of sturdy aluminum casing. Given the heft and sturdiness, an iPad and BRYDGE combo feels very much like holding a smaller MacBook. The keys are a bit small on the 11-inch version, but the 13-inch version with the bigger keys and more natural spacing between them feels more normal. Above the number keys are iOS shortcuts, rare on iPad Pro keyboards. A dedicated brightness button is really handy so you don't have to access the control center to adjust the iPad's brightness. The keyboard is backlit and has 3 different brightness options. Also, it gets very bright. The BRYDGE also comes with a magnetic snap-on leather cover to help protect the back of your iPad from scratches or dents. All in all, I'm really impressed with the BRYDGE keyboard. The build quality is superb, the keyboard feels great to type on, and it adds a lot of functionality. For people looking for a good lav mic, the Comica CVM WM200A is a great choice. It's got dual wireless transmitters triggered by one receiver, which can be used for multiple devices working together, with auto scanning for quick channel selection. It's also equipped with Lattice LCD display, which displays the dynamic volume test bar and transmitter power in HD. And you've got real-time monitoring of volume and power. You can also use the 2 clip-on lavalier microphones in different ways, such as one lapel mic is responsible for sound pickup and another lavalier mic is responsible for the background music, so that the receiver can get background music recordings. The 200A operates at working distances up to 120 meters, and it's made of full metal manufacturing with excellent shielding. When the working distance is within 197 feet, you can switch to low strength mode, which helps to reduce power consumption for longer standby time. And when the working distance is longer than 197 feet, you can choose the high strength mode to improve the audio quality. And the audio quality is superb with crisp and clear audio. And for your lighting needs, the DAZZNE LED light is my pick. This bright LED video light outputs 45 watts of power with 600 8mm high-performance LED beads, which in turn provide a luminous 19,000 lux at 0.5 meters. You can rotate the dial at the back to adjust the accurate brightness from 1 to 100% by 1%, or press the quick brightness adjust button to cycle to change brightness between 1, 25, 50, 75 and 100%. It's also bicolor, so the color temperatures can be adjusted from 3000 Kelvin to 8000 Kelvin in 100 Kelvin increments. This LED video light has 40H, CH and 6 groups. In same channel and same group, you can choose any one of lights as masters, and if you change the setting of this light, the others will be changed as well. So for a shoot, this will be the best light you have on set. Now if you want something more portable and easier to use, then MOMANLED light is here to help. The MOMANLED light with 96 LEDs is really light, ultra thin and enables slipping in your pocket convenient. You also mount it or strap it to devices by 1x4 screw holes and 4 slots. It's also got cold and warm bicolor temperature and brightness, which are adjustable in one switch and displayed on the HD screen. It's also got magnets on the back to attach to metal to free your hands and lighten the load. The CNC aluminum case makes it anti-fall and dust-proof, plus heat dissipation is faster than plastic. The light is powered via included USB cable, so you don't have to take it with heavy batteries. All your needs like portrait, nature, YouTube and indoor shooting can be satisfied with this simple and easily portable LED light. Next up, we have SIMCAM Alloy. The Alloy is a security camera and it comes packed with features. But first, let's talk about specs. It has a Sony IMX 1x2.3-inch 5-megapixel sensor with 140-degree field of view and 8x digital zoom. It sits on a 360-degree motorized gimbal and can record in 1080p and see up to 50 feet away in near darkness, thanks to a proprietary night vision mode SIMCAM called Starlight. The Alloy's IP65 weatherproof shell boasts a built-in mic and 1-watt 100-decibel siren to ward off intruders. And the camera's local recording eliminates the need for a constant data connection. The second a stranger invades your home, you immediately receive an alert from SIMCAM. And it can also recognize familiar faces you preloaded in the camera. Plus, it can let you know when there's a significant movement of the object you've selected in the camera's view. Additionally, you can easily filter with device names, recognition types, and dates, then quickly locate the suspect footage with thumbnails. And all of this is possible with the amazing AI that comes preloaded on the device. Next up, we have VIVIMAGE C680 projector. This projector is a great product to have when you're planning a movie, or if you want a projector for your business. It comes with a really functional remote and a USB SD card reader included, which makes things a lot easier. It features native 9020 by 1080 resolution and 6000 lux brightness. This is comparable to what is found in cinemas, so you can immerse yourself in a cinematic experience and watch your favorite movies, shows, sports and games. The M-Star Advanced Color Engine offers 6000 to 1 contrast, presenting clear details to you even in the dark. It's also got advanced LCD light source technology that can effectively ensure lamp life of 60,000 hours or more. And the overall picture quality is superb, and watching movies was a blast with this projector. Well, that was it for this video guys. Do leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon if you don't want to miss out on some more upcoming content. And as always, thanks for watching. This is Saman signing out.